Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today in our automotive series we're going to show you how to install a
running board.
A running board in your car. One piece of advice is to buy a running board that is no drill. That will make your installation, I won't say easy, but simpler, so you won't have to drill in the car. So when you're buying your boards, make sure that you put in the make and model and year of your car and look for no drill options. Most modern cars, and by modern I mean anything made after 2002 or so, should have already points to attach running boards. So please stick around. If this is your first time in our channel, welcome to our channel. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. So let's get together. So we're going to take this. As you see, our car doesn't have running boards right now, and we will show you the end result. So here are the attaching points. There are two here, and then there are two more there. Our specific kit only has 3 attachment points, but there might be kits that use all 3. So look under the car and find the correct attachment points. Yeah.
And also these bolts, they're bolts with a locking washer and a washer. And for each one of these, they take 3 to go onto the vehicle.
We might need a small flashlight, I cannot see.
Okay.
Is there any way that you can hold that? Can you find any? Well, no, you won't be able to hold it from there. Before.
The only other way is for me to get under there with you.
Okay.
Okay. I need to slide in here.
I think I've started it.
Nope. Oh. Okay. You're pulling it.
It will start very little because of the...
I know. Okay.
We just need to start it.
Okay, hold on.
I cannot see now, so you can...
Okay. Let me...
It doesn't want... Don't...
Let me move
So
and do that
fingers.
one like I did.
Better, worse?
Okay. Where's the drill?
You still need to be as straight as you can. I mean...
Really? Can you hold this?
It came off?
No?
Straight like that.
No, it just doesn't seat that way, and now it...
We'll show you the bracket attached, and you see it attaches in 2 spots. Where is it catching? Alright, and all the brackets attach the same way. Now, this can be fairly difficult sometimes to align, and you need to make sure it is aligned in order for your bars to both attach and be stable. So give it a little wiggle. Ours is very steady. And now we're ready to attach the bar itself. Alright friends, and now you see the finished product. We are done putting we're done putting the running boards in the vehicle. And we'll go around and show you. The installation is the same between the right and the left side. So it definitely makes getting into your car or truck much easier. Wouldn't you agree?
Yep.
Okay, and that is the end of the installation. Alright friends, we finished the installation as you can see, and we are very pleased with the results. A couple of pointers. We actually started the installation yesterday. You can come back. We started the installation yesterday, but we had a hard time putting the bolts in because there was a lot of rust in the threads. So we sprayed all the openings with WD-4, and that made it a little easier. Also, as you put the brackets in, just put them loosely in to allow for movement, and that will allow you to align the running boards easier. And I had one more tip, and what it was, I cannot remember.
The angle?
Huh?
The angle thing?
Oh yeah, hold on a second. Of course, make sure that when the job is done, you go back and you tighten everything to the correct specs. Otherwise, you're in danger of losing your running board while you're in the middle of the highway. Two pieces of equipment that make this job much easier for us is an articulating adapter. You see it?
Bring it down. Okay. Yep.
And of course, an impact driver with an extension that allows us to use normal standard attachments. These are probably invaluable because it allows you to not get tired by constantly doing. In total, this has 4, 8, 10 bolts on each side. So that is a lot of bolting, and those two tools will make your job much easier. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumb up. Let's do that again. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumb up. If you didn't, the other button hit twice. Please share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what you want to see in our channel. And this is in our automotive series. We're going to see you again for our technology series on Sunday for our woodworking series. From the Garage Woodworker, Mrs. Woodworker and Elpida, we bid you a good week.